two website builders, both promising to make your life easier, but which one truly stands out? On one side, the versatile, design-focused Webflow. On the other, the user-friendly, lightning-fast Jimdo. We're putting them head-to-head in the areas that actually count. Customization, ease of use, pricing, support, and more. Let's skip the marketing talk and dig into what really matters. Every category gets a score, so by the end, you'll know exactly where each builder shines. And the winner may catch you off guard. Let's get into it, Gitchjumperate. Let's kick things off with a mind map of everything we're going to cover. We're looking at price, ease of use, design flexibility, e-commerce, SEO and marketing, integrations, and, yep, the type of person each platform just fits best. Ready? Let's get started. First up, price. Webflow does have a free tier, which is nice, and it definitely scales up well if you're building complex sites. And it's a big one. Those premium plans can get pretty pricey, especially if you want e-commerce options. And yeah, a lot of advanced features are locked behind extra fees. Now, Jimdo's all about keeping things affordable. Their paid plans are super wallet friendly, and honestly, even the free version covers a lot of the basics. The catch? You do miss out on some features unless you upgrade. Still, in this round, Jimdo totally takes the crown for price. Moving on, ease of use. Webflow. Alright, let's be real. If you love getting in the weeds with visual editors and drag and drop everything, you'll vibe with it. It's a dream for designers, but it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. Jimdo, on the other hand, hands you this beginner-friendly setup wizard that holds your hand the whole way. You don't need any prior experience, but you do lose a bit of creative freedom. Still, for most people just wanting a site up fast, Jimdo makes it way easier. Now, design flexibility. If you want to go wild with full CSS, custom animations, and dynamic content, Webflow lets you do all that. It's seriously impressive. Honestly, you could build something that looks totally custom. But it can be a bit much if all you need is a simple website. Jimdo keeps things pretty, well, simple. There's nice templates and easy tweaks for colors and fonts, but if you want to tinker under the hood, you'll find some roadblocks. This category really swings Webflow's way. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Webflow was actually founded by Ukrainian immigrants back in 2013. Kind of wild, right? E-commerce. Webflow lets you customize pretty much every part of the shopping experience, with a robust CMS for managing products. Downsides? It's more technical to set up, and yeah, expect to pay for those features. Jimdo makes starting a basic online store a total breeze, especially for something small. But if you ever want to scale up or need more payment options, you're going to hit limits, fast. For full customization and future growth, Webflow edges ahead. SEO and marketing time. Webflow gives you super detailed SEO controls and can hook into all your favorite analytics and marketing tools. Honestly, if you're serious about growth, it's kind of a must, but you'll want to take the time to set everything up yourself. Jimdo automates basic SEO, throws in built-in email marketing, which is cool, but you don't get nearly as many advanced options. Bottom line, Webflow nails this one. Let's talk integrations. Webflow's got this huge library plus. You can connect custom code and APIs if you know what you're doing. Not everyone does though. Jimdo gives you social integrations and a handful of extras, but it's nowhere near as extensive. So if linking up with other tools is important, Webflow definitely comes out on top here. Finally, best for who? Webflow is seriously great for agencies, freelancers, and anyone who wants maximum control. But for a simple personal website or a small business that just wants to get online quick, it's pretty much overkill. And that's exactly where Jimdo shines. Super easy, gets the job done, but probably not the right pick if you ever want to go way bigger. In the end, this category's a tie totally depends on your needs. So where do these two stand when you line up all the features side by side? Let's take a look at our radar chart. You'll see Webflow dominates when it comes to design power, commerce, and integrations, while Jimdo keeps things simple and wallet-friendly. So, my honest take, if you want that pro-level, pixel-perfect site and you're comfortable with a bit of a learning curve, Webflow is an absolute powerhouse. But if speed and simplicity matter more, and you're not looking to get fancy, Jimdo just makes everything easy. There's really no wrong choice here, but your best pick depends on where you fall on that spectrum. If you enjoyed this showdown, follow for more website builder insights